Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Looking for the best American Express credit card of 2024? Well, you're in the right place. This video will be your guide as we delve into a detailed comparison of the top American Express credit cards this year. We'll assess their unique perks, potential drawbacks, and who they're most suitable for. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a big spender, or simply looking for a card that gives you the most bang for your buck, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to learn more about the benefits and drawbacks of each card. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand what American Express cards generally offer. American Express, fondly known as Amex, has a reputation for being a top-tier credit card provider. They offer a range of cards that cater to different lifestyles and spending habits. So whether you're a frequent flyer, a foodie, or a frugal spender, there's likely an Amex card for you. A key feature that sets American Express apart from its competitors is its stellar customer service. Amex has consistently achieved high rankings in customer satisfaction surveys. They provide around-the-clock assistance to their cardholders, ensuring that help is always just a phone call away. Next, let's talk about rewards. American Express is known for its generous rewards programs. These programs allow you to earn points on everyday purchases, which you can then redeem for travel, shopping, dining, and more. The exact earn rate and redemption options can vary between cards, but one thing's for sure: if you're looking to get rewarded for your spending, an Amex card might be just the ticket. Another standout feature of American Express cards is their purchase protection. This benefit provides coverage for your purchases against theft or damage for a certain period after the purchase date. So, if you've just bought a brand new laptop and it gets stolen or accidentally damaged, you might be covered by your Amex card's purchase protection. But like any other credit card provider, American Express isn't without its drawbacks. For instance, some merchants don't accept Amex cards due to their higher merchant fees. And while their rewards programs are generous, they often come with a high annual fee. So it's important to weigh the benefits against the cost to see if an Amex card is the right fit for you. In conclusion, American Express offers a range of cards with standout features like exceptional customer service, generous rewards programs, and robust purchase protection. However, these benefits come with a cost, and it's crucial to consider this when deciding if an Amex card is right for you. Now let's get into the specifics of each card. First up, we have the American Express Credit Card 1. This card packs a punch with its impressive benefits, but it also comes with a few drawbacks that may give some potential users pause. Let's talk about its perks first. The American Express Credit Card 1 offers a competitive interest rate, making it a strong contender in the credit card landscape of 2024. It also dishes out attractive rewards, allowing you to earn points on every dollar you spend. These points can be redeemed for travel, shopping, or even statement credits. The card also boasts unique features like extended warranty and purchase protection, adding an extra layer of security to your purchases. If you're a frequent traveler, you'll appreciate its no foreign transaction fee feature, which can save you a significant amount when you're globetrotting. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The card does come with an annual fee, which might be a deal breaker for some. While the fee is offset by the rewards and benefits for most users, it's something to consider if you're not a big spender, or if you don't plan to use the card frequently. Additionally, the reward system can be a bit complex to navigate for some. It requires a certain level of understanding to maximize the benefits, which might not be everyone's cup of tea. In conclusion, the American Express Credit Card 1 is a solid choice for those who are looking for a card that offers robust rewards, competitive interest rates, and unique features. However, it's not the best fit for individuals who prefer simplicity over rewards, or those who are deterred by the annual fee. This card is great for those who... Next, we have the American Express Credit Card 2. This credit card is a standout in the world of rewards cards, offering an impressive rate of cash back on a variety of purchases. One of the most appealing features of the American Express Credit Card 2 is its rewards system. Users can enjoy a generous cashback rate on everyday expenses, such as groceries and gas, making it a fantastic option for people who want to maximize their spending in these areas. While this card does have an annual fee, the high cashback rate can easily offset this cost, especially for those who frequently use their card. It's worth noting, however, that the annual fee is waived for the first year, giving new cardholders an opportunity to try out the card and see if it's a good fit for them. Now let's talk about interest rates. The American Express credit card too offers competitive rates, but it's always crucial to be mindful of carrying a balance. Interest can accumulate quickly, negating the benefits of any rewards you may earn. One unique feature of this card is its introductory offer. New cardholders can enjoy a 0% interest rate on purchases for a set period after opening the account, making it an attractive choice for those planning significant expenses in the near future. Remember, credit cards are tools. If used responsibly, the American Express credit card too can offer significant benefits. This card is perfect for people who want to earn substantial rewards on their everyday spending while enjoying the flexibility of a generous introductory offer. Lastly, we have the American Express Credit Card 3. This card comes with a myriad of benefits that make it a strong contender in the credit card market. For starters, it boasts a competitive interest rate, which can be a boon for those who tend to carry a balance from month to month. But where this card really shines is in its rewards program. With every dollar you spend, you earn points that can be redeemed for a variety of goodies. Whether you're looking to snag that latest gadget, book a dream vacation, or indulge in a fine dining experience, the American Express Credit Card 3 has got you covered. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This card does come with an annual fee. While some may argue that the rewards more than make up for it, it's still something to consider, especially if you're not a big spender. A standout feature of this card is the access it provides to exclusive events. Cardholders can enjoy early bird access to concert tickets, private sales, and more. This unique benefit adds an extra layer of luxury to the American Express Credit Card 3 experience. But remember, a credit card should match your lifestyle and spending habits. While this card offers a lot, it might not be the best fit for everyone. This card is ideal for individuals who value experiences and don't mind paying a little extra for the perks. Now that you have an idea of the best American Express cards of 2024, you might be wondering how to apply. The application process for an American Express card is straightforward. First things first, you'll need to gather a few documents. These typically include a proof of identity, like a passport or driver's license, proof of address, such as a utility bill, and proof of income, which can be a recent pay stub or tax return. Next, let's talk about credit score requirements. American Express doesn't set a specific score threshold, but a good credit history is generally preferred. If your score is in the good range or above, you stand a better chance of approval. So, if you're unsure about your credit score, it may be a good idea to check it before you apply. Now, let's move on to the application itself. American Express has made it incredibly easy to apply for their cards online. Simply head over to their website, choose the card you're interested in, and click on Apply Now. You'll then be prompted to fill out an application form with your personal and financial information. Once you've submitted your application, you can expect a response in a matter of minutes. Remember, applying for a new credit card can temporarily affect your credit score, so it's wise to consider this before submitting an application. And that's how you apply for an American Express credit card. Let's wrap up what we've covered today. We dove deep into the world of American Express credit cards, exploring 3 standout options. Each card, with its unique set of benefits and drawbacks, caters to different consumer needs. First, we looked at Card 1, a powerhouse for frequent travelers. The standout benefits include impressive travel rewards and comprehensive travel insurance. However, the hefty annual fee may deter some users. Next, we turned our attention to Card 2. Ideal for the everyday spender, it offers stellar cashback rates on everyday purchases, from groceries to gas. But bear in mind, its foreign transaction fee can make it less attractive for international use. Our journey concluded with Card 3, a dream for the luxury seeker. Its premium benefits, like access to exclusive events and high-end travel perks, make it a top-tier card. Yet, the high spending requirement for bonus points may not be for everyone. We also navigated through the application process for an American Express credit card, highlighting the importance of a good credit score and demonstrating how to fill out the online application form. In the world of credit cards, there's no one-size-fits-all. Each of these cards brings something unique to the table, addressing different spending patterns and lifestyle needs. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the best card for you depends on your lifestyle and spending habits. Until next time.